Welcome back to part 3, and let's find the grown-ups. And this when you rub it, it's gone. So you don't need water. But when you change it, you need water. And this is the opening. So let's open it. Oh, let's rip it in. Ooh, I see the surprise. Let's pull it out. It says Rockstar. It's a Rockstar. And let's pull the rest of it out. Let's see. Where was I? Right here. Let's peel this part even though there's nothing. You're supposed to do that because you're supposed to peel the whole thing out. So let's move that aside. And let's open this part. And I see the surprise right there. See that? Well, can we pull it out yet? Okay. So we need to peel a little more. Yes, right there. There. Now, I'll do that, pulling it out later. Oh, look, it's sticking. The garbage fell. Okay, this is a feeling worried, sad, and I don't know what's that, but that's happy. Now let's keep going. I'm confused. Okay, let's do the next one. Well, this thing looks weird. Okay, I got that out. Now, this is a water bottle. This is a bottle. And it's a coffee cup. You can put water in there so they can drink it. I like this one. It's cute. I'm just doing it upside down because it's fun. It's like acting really good. There. Where did it? Oh, right there. It's right there. Let's move that first. Ooh, I feel something tiny. What is it? Shoes. It's like a little tapping. Shoes. Let's see. Let's put that aside. And let's open the next one. And let's open this. Let's put it back in. Hey, how do we put that back in? Well, I guess we don't need to put it back in. Well, it is hard. Well, leave it out. Well, let's get to the opening. Ooh, it's sparkly. Ooh, no. It's a dress. looks like it's a pop star or something. A pop star. Well, let's see. Wow, it just popped out. Let's open. Hey, I feel something flat. What is it? There. It's a phone! I know whose this is. It's the big sister of this. See the phone? It's dark and... Let me out! Oh yeah! I got the sister. Now let's put on the clothes. She's probably cold. And I like her hair. It's like she has some blush on. Just like makeup. So, it's so glittery. So glittery. Oh, let's see. How do we get that on now? Can we stretch out the dress? It's really hard to get it. I almost got it. That's weird. How do we put that on? Later. It's stuck on now. Oh, let's move that, everything, and now let's just do this. Ooh, it seems like someone already picked it. Rockstar again. What? Oh, it's weird. I wonder why there's a star, and that's really cute. How do we... Let's see here. Got that. It's just like a zipper. Oh, it's sticking on. It's sticking. It is sticking the same. And they're actually stickers. So. Wow. I see the package. The bottle's stuck. Oh, there. Now the bottle will come out. And be careful to not cut yourself if you get something like this. And it is a water bottle. It's like, has words on it. Cute. Now let's get back to it. I see it already. Let's see if we can pull that out. Oh, no, we can't pull it out. Let's pull it out. Yeah! Let's do the zipper. Maybe it has to do it upside down now. Yeah, we should do the scissors. Let's see, how can we do this? And let's try to cut it. There, now we can do it. Okay, back to the peeling. Wow. Oh, stop rolling away. Well, let's see what's in here. Shoes. Glittery boots. I I recognize this. Let's put it over there. And plop. Now, let's see. We don't need to do the part, but we shall do it. Huh. Let's peel this out. Well, that was awkward. Well, there. Take that out. Let's see if this one we can do it. Yeah, I got it. Now let's open the dress. Ooh, I know something like this. Well, I think. And plop. This is the Let Me Out. And let's see what's in here. Ooh, it's a cake. Interesting. I think I know who. Did I just cut the doll? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. Hey, wrap that off. Let's rip that thing. Yay, this is a mom. It broke apart. Ah. Okay, I fixed it. Thanks. See you in the next part. Make sure you watch it. And bye.